Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Sam from Pixie. Today I'm going to show you how to do a Pixie Lott makeup. An important part of Pixie Lott's beauty regime is painting her nails. She's really big on that. I've chosen, this is Real Red from Avon Nailwear Pro. Right, onto the makeup. I'm using Vitalumiere Aqua from Chanel. Often when I see pictures of Pixie Lott, she has a good amount of foundation on, so I've chosen a medium coverage foundation rather than a light one. We need to fill the brows in a bit. I'm using Clinique Deep Brown Superfine Liner for brows. This is a really simple makeup. All we're going to use on the eyes is Sleek Makeup Dominatrix Ink Pot Eyeliner Gel, and I'm going to use a MAC 239 brush with that. This is a cream product, but it sets, so it should last all day. We're just going to push that onto the lid. And I'm just going to take this through the socket and not blend at all. We're going to keep these lines quite nice and crisp and sharp. Now, on an angled brush, we're just going to take that liner underneath the eye as well. I'm using a black eyeliner pencil. This one is Urban Decay Glide On 24/7 in 0. And that's going along the waterline just inside the eye. Now I have Makeup Forever Smoky Lash Mascara, and again, this is quite a rock chick makeup, so it doesn't matter if you blob your mascara or your eyeshadow creases. The more distressed it looks, the more realistic it's going to look. Now I'm going to put a little bit of concealer under the eyes. I'm using Clinique Line Smoothing Concealer. On the cheeks, I want to use a cream blush. I'm using MAC Cream Blend Blush in Something Special. And I'm using a Real Techniques stippling brush just to apply that. And we're going to put that just on the apple of the cheek and work it downwards. I often see Pixie in a bright lip. I'm using Ico London Lips Lip Gloss in Soho. And that brings me to the end of my Pixie Lott makeup tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you next week. Bye bye.